which was an in-depth course in leadership development. Okay, so here we go. I want your guys' help with this. So look, I'm going to click on AI copy, okay? And what's the name of our product? Give me a name for our product. Leadership development. And my software, guys, is using up all its resources right now. So it's very, very slow, okay? So we're going to have patience with it. It's just me right now because I am just killing my resources. But we're going to sell this for 27 bucks. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask ChatGPT real fast something. So let me kind of show you guys where we're going to be going with this, okay? So I'm going to say, I want a summary for the sales page. Mintbird will use that summary to create the sections on the sales page. Now, here's the thing, man. This part here, I'm cheating right now, guys. You probably are not going to want to do this. If I do my sales page for Instagram, then I'm going to really take the time to do this part here. And here's the reason why, okay? As soon as I plug in this right here, and I click next step, these are just sample questions that I'm going to ask of you right away. But as long as you've done the first step, as long as you know what the name of your product is, how much you're going to sell it for, and you have a general idea, like it's a 3-day workshop, and I'm going to teach people, you know, how to build up their first 1,000 followers. And as long as I have that idea, then what's going to happen is we're going to have it where AI will just answer the rest of these questions for you. Okay. I'm going to say, can you answer these questions? So there will be a series of questions. We call this the outline that we're going to want you to answer. Okay. And like I said, as long as you have filled out that box, then we can go ahead and we can use AI to answer these questions, right? So you can see it knows who our audience is, okay? Let's see, let's go to experience. Beginner to intermediate, okay? So it knows this, what pain points, struggling to lead a team effectively, lack of confidence in leadership roles. I'll show you this here in a minute. What will somebody be able to achieve? They'll gain clear leadership. I'll plug this in. And how is this different than other products? All right. And guys, this is just the start. Okay. This is just the start. All right. So I'm going to bring that in where you can see where that came from. Okay. So right here, you can see here are the answers, right? So I'm doing it right now with ChatGPT, which is how we always start. But like I said, Mintbird will answer these questions for you, and then you'll be able to go back through and change up the answers. Does that make sense to everybody? Does everybody get this? All right. So I'm going to click Generate Ad Page. I don't know what's going to happen right now. We've been making changes all day. This will be way prettier when we are official with this. I'm just kind of showing you guys the future and beta and what's coming up. But at the same time, we can come over here and we can go to our sales page. Let me make sure I'm on the right one. It was not this one. Hold on a second. Let me find that page. Where did that page go? Is it this one? Hold on. That thing is going. Okay, it's this page over here. So I'm going to move this to my 50,000 tabs over here. Like I said, I forgot I had this call today, right? And now let's come over here and let me see if I can go ahead and load this page. And so now you can see that it is building our page over here. Are you guys seeing this? So this thing is going right now. And by the way, we could crash. We're in heavy beta right now. But if I were to open up this page, unleash your leadership potential today. Discover the Leadership Development Masterclass, a comprehensive guide to need to elevate your leadership skills. Exclusive masterclass, enroll in Leadership Development Masterclass for just $27. Your leadership toolkit awaits, right? Comprehensive training, downloadable resources, ready to use graphics, and you can see how far it is. So you guys are actually seeing this thing build a sales page right now, right before your very eyes. You're seeing this, right? And so now what's going to happen, guys, is we're going to go and we're going to provide as many possible templates. It didn't tell me it was done, but it's probably done. We're going to provide as many possible templates as we can. And then what we're going to do, yeah, look at this. Don't just build leaders, empower them, discover why the leadership masterclass, your path to success. Yeah, and it's going to keep building this thing out, introducing leadership evolution framework, right? This is where we're going, guys. This is where everything is happening, right? It looks like it assigned tab. Yeah, tags. It just copies the tags. Don't worry about it. Like I said, this is day number 1 of playing with this stuff. But what's going to happen, guys, is you're going to be able to take our templates, right? And you're going to be able to say, okay, I want this template, but I want to use AI to create the sales page. Okay. And then what's going to happen, guys, is we are slowing down for a minute. Miji and Pranay are getting really, really specific with something because we want some magic to happen. And what we want to have happen, let me see if I can find something. See this right here? This guy and this guy. If you choose to use gradients, so if I open this up, guys, if we look at this page here, if I've done a good job, okay, you're going to notice as I scroll through here, do you kind of see how there's a theme, there's white, there's tan, there's the colors, there's black, there's the gradients. There is a method to our madness here. And we want to have it where with a few clicks, you not only change this to another new beautiful gradient, but on top of that, it goes and swaps out the buttons. And it makes sure that you have a section that's black and that you have one that's white. And you got some more sections down there that follow this gradient. So not only are we able to go and let's see if it did any more. Not only are we able to go and create this whole entire sales page, but on top of that, once it's done, we're going to let you override the entire topography of the page, which is your fonts and everything. And then on top of that, you might not like the overall layout of this page and the colors. Look at this. Introducing leadership evolution framework. Start with foundation. You're ready to take the first step by recognizing the need for development with the leadership development masterclass. Look at this. Enhanced communications, effective engagement, right? It's going to be able to do all of your copy for you. It'll even do your FAQs for you. Did you guys just see it build a whole entire page? Now, what you'll see next week is you won't see these icons for AI Bot Studio. You won't see these images over here because what we're going to do is we know that this has to do with leadership. And so what we're going to end up doing, guys, is we're going to end up bringing in images that have to do with leadership that are self-hosted so that when you look at this page, you don't see AI Bot Studio, you see images about leadership. And so one of those sources, if I were to type in like something like Unsplash, and if I were to type in leadership, okay, these images here, whatever we can find on leadership, we are going to bring those into your page. So now it has nothing to do with AI Bot Studio. If it requires a video, then there will be a video placeholder there. But this is what's so gnarly about this, okay? This page is just a Mintbird page. Now I can go through and I can actually change the text on the page. It's just elements. Are you guys starting to see this right now? So this is why I keep telling you, this is why I've limited our calls to an hour, guys, is because of how hot and heavy we are inside of Mintbird, just trying to crack the code to so many things. But I think it's going to be absolutely incredible when those questions that opened up, we're calling that the outline. So let me bring that back over here. This is your outline. When it's all said and done, we'll probably have about 30 questions as a default template that you can fill out yourself, or AI can fill it out once you tell it what the product's about, and then you can override anything that AI says. And that way, you might notice that our headline right now is super, super weak. But if I open up this page, you're going to see that this is kind of overkill. But it just goes to show you what it's capable of, right? So are you tired of futile attempts at crafting profitable Facebook ads only to see money slip through your fingers? Welcome. And that would have been it, right? So we have to train AI to know, okay, this is what it takes to write a really captivating headline. And so now we're going to train it to be an expert copywriter. So this is called your hero section. This is the most important part, right? But I'm telling you right now, it will go and it will write all of your copy for you. And it'll update all of your sections for you. And then our ultimate goal, and it's not going to take much time, we've been working every day on this, is one simple switch. You're going to override your typography, override your whole entire color theme, right? And then on top of that, we're even going to go create the order form for you. So after you're done going through these steps, there is going to be a wizard that opens up that says, are you using one step or two step? Or do you want to use a two-step order or a one-step order form at all on your page? Or do you just want it to go to an order form, right? So you're going to decide, yes, I want to have a two-step order form. Okay, cool. What is the product you're linking to? Oh, here's my product. Okay, good. And what are the tags? It's these tags. Okay. And are you using bump offers? Yeah, I want two of them. Okay, which bump offer? Are you using coupon codes? Yes. Okay. Would you like me to add this to a funnel for you? So the wizard is going to not only are we going to go and create the whole entire page for you, but on top of that, we're going to go set it up with all the Mintbird magic.